Walk you through the app and show you how to use it to start landing jobs. So first, let's pick a platform where we want to search for opportunities. So for example, we're going to use Upwork for this demo. So now let's say we're looking for projects related to MVPs. As you can see, there are lots of people who want to help building their own MVPs. So find a job that looks like a good fit for you. Ideally, go for listings with as few proposals submitted as possible. The less competitions, the better. So for this demo, we'll use this job as example. Not this one, maybe this one. As you can see, we want the payment to be verified. Okay, in Upwork. So for example, we're going to use this one. For first, copy and paste the job details into the app. The next, pick a profile. This tells the AI which information to use when writing. We'll use the profile geared toward MVP projects for now. Okay. But you can create as many profiles as possible. So for example, here's one for trading script. So as you can see, I have different years of experience. So for full stack development, I have 8 years of experience. And then for trading script development, I have 3 years. And then you can write the achievements, skills, and the portfolio, etc. So you want them to be separated as much as possible because they are different niche. So let's go back. And then for the template, choose a template that you like. Templates tell the AI how to structure the cover letter. You can even upload winning templates you find online. So one example is Dea from YouTube. She's a famous YouTuber similar to Josh Burns Tech and Freelance MVP. So I have added those templates. So once you onboard on the app, you'll be able to access these templates. Also, you can add as many more as you wanted. Okay, so you can find winning templates and then just add it and use it whenever you like. Okay, so once the app generates a cover letter, we can now paste it into the Upwork. Uh, so one moment. So let's click apply now, and then just paste it here, and then you can click send for 8 connects, and then yeah, that's it. Can instantly apply on Upwork. So yeah,